Hi, I'm Danielle, National Educator at Four Sigmatic, and I'm here to show you how I use our Superfood Serum as part of my skincare routine. And the first thing I do is splash my face with really cold water. So I'll just splash it, make sure my face is clean and dry, and then I'll take our Superfood Serum. So I'll just do about 2 pumps. I'll mix it up a little bit and then really lightly just apply everywhere on my skin. And it's really light, it goes on really nice and easily and smoothly. And if you do wear face makeup, I just recommend waiting about 2 or 3 minutes to really let the serum soak in before you start applying your makeup. The other really cool thing about our serum is it's actually able to be used as a wellness supplement. So along with putting it on my skin, you can just put a couple drops on your tongue. If you live in a drier climate, you might get flyaways in your hair. So just put a pump of our serum in your hand, and then any sort of frizz, you can just lightly kind of go through your hair and apply that oil on any flyaways. And it does such a nice, simple job without making your hair look oily, but just to really tame it. So that's my skincare routine. Thank you so much for following along. I would love to see how you like to use our Superfood skincare. So tag us at Four Sigmatic on Instagram so I can see what you're up to.